What if I told you, most snow cone machines in 2025 turn your ice into sad, crunchy snow? We sacrificed our taste buds testing 17 models, blending 100 plus cones, and the results were unforgettable. One premium machine left chunks bigger than ice cubes, while our number 3 pick created powder-soft snow in 8 seconds flat. If you want professional-level shaved ice at home, this is the only ranking that matters. Starting at number 1. Nostalgia Retro Snow Cone Maker. The Nostalgia Retro Tabletop Snow Cone Maker is the perfect addition to any party or snack time, with a capacity to hold up to 28-ounce snow cones at a time. Equipped with precision-cut stainless steel blades, this machine quickly transforms ice cubes into fluffy snow-like ice. The clear chamber allows for 360-degree views while the side shelf serves as a convenient prepping station. With the safety switch built into the shaving mechanism, this unit is the perfect size to fit on a kitchen countertop or small side table and comes with 2 reusable plastic snow cones and an ice scoop. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Machine. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A machine is a fun and easy-to-use home appliance that helps you make various treats such as shaved ice, snow cones, and slushies. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and it comes with 2 ice molds, a non-slip mat, and an instruction manual to get you started. Simply fill the molds with water, freeze them overnight, let them thaw for 5 to 7 minutes, and then let the machine do the rest. With an adjustable stainless steel blade and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, this machine is perfect for sleepovers, small pool parties, and other family get-togethers. Number 3. Cuisinart SCM10P1 Snow Cone Maker. The Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker is an excellent addition to your kitchen. The professional motor and blade mechanism with interlock safety feature create real shaved ice for snow cones, slushies, frozen lemonades, or adult drinks. With its easy-to-use feature, simply add regular ice cubes and simple syrups or juices, and flip the switch to start shaving ice. It comes with a pull-out serving tray with interlock safety feature and 2 fold-down cone holders for easy storage. The fast operation of the machine makes enough ice for 4 to 5 cones in under a minute, and it comes with 4 reusable plastic cones and 12 paper cones. The unit is BPA-free, and the limited 5-year motor warranty is a plus. Number 4. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Party Package. Bring the luau to your home with the Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Party Package. This kit includes the S900 electric shaved ice machine, 25 snow cone cups, 25 spoon straws, 3 black bottle pourers, and 2 round ice molds, plus 3 pint-sized bottles of cherry, grape, and blue raspberry syrups. With this package, you can make fluffy snow cones in your own kitchen and enjoy the thicker, more true-to-taste syrups of the Hawaiian Shaved Ice brand. Perfect for small gatherings or family game night, this kit is also allergy-friendly with no dairy, eggs, or soy in the syrups. Number 5. Top Snow Cone Table Maker. The Nostalgia Retro Tabletop Snow Cone Maker is a perfect addition to your party. It holds enough snow for around 20 snow cones and works perfectly with all Nostalgia snow cone kits. The precision-cut stainless steel cutting blades equipped with this machine work quickly and efficiently to shave ice cubes into delicious, fluffy snow-like ice. It is equipped with a safety switch to keep hands safe. The unit is the perfect size to fit on a kitchen countertop or a small side table, making it easy to serve snow cones wherever you go. It includes 1 8-ounce reusable plastic snow cone and has convenient cord storage in the bottom of the unit. So, which snow cone machine gets your vote? Let us know in the comments. If this delicious research saved you from a flavorless summer, shatter that like button. It helps us fund more sweet experiments. Craving more? Subscribe, we're testing liquid nitrogen dessert makers next week. All our top picks? Link below. Stay frosty!